Hello everyone, welcome back to Nagesh Karaske Orchid School. Dear students, in our last session we have seen how to convert kilogram into gram. So 1 kilogram is equal to how many grams? 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. And in this way we have completed exercise 5.8 in the last session. Now today we are going to see how to convert into kilograms and grams. So open your textbook, page number 68. Look at the board here. Convert 3000 gram into kilograms. Convert 3000 gram into kilograms. See here, 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. Just now I told you 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Means 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. If 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram, then 3000 gram is equal to how many kilograms? Yes, 3000 gram is equal to 3 kilogram. Just from the right side we have to remove 3 zeros, then that will be converted into kilogram. Okay. Now we'll see the next example. See here, Shaina's mother bought 3850 gram of vegetables. Shaina's mother bought 3850 gram of vegetables. What is the weight of the vegetables in kilograms and grams? Now see here students, the weight of the vegetable is 3850 gram. That we have to convert into kilograms and grams. So the question is, what is the weight of the vegetables in kilograms and grams? This 3850 grams we have to convert into kilograms and grams. Okay, so how will you convert this gram into kilograms and grams? Yes, first of all we'll write whatever weight is given to us, 3850 gram. Okay, total weight of the vegetable was 3850 gram. This weight we have to convert into kilogram and gram. So what we will do, this number 3850, just we will split up this. Okay, 3850 we'll write in this way, like 3000 gram plus 850 gram. 3850 gram is equal to 3000 gram plus 850 gram. Okay, now just now I told you 3000 gram is equal to how many kilograms? Yes, see this, 3000 gram means 3 kilogram, because from the right side just we have to remove these 3 zeros, then that weight will convert into kilogram. Okay, so 3000 gram means 3 kilogram plus 850 gram means what? 3 kilogram 850 gram. So 3850 gram is equal to 3 kg 850 gram. Okay, there is one more method to solve this, that is very easy method. It is 3850 gram is equal to, see this we have to convert into kilogram and gram. So from the right side, see here, before third digit you have to give a dot. Okay, means 3.850 grams means 3 kg 850 gram. In this way also you can convert this gram into kilogram and gram. Understood? Okay. Now let us move to the next exercise, that is exercise 5.9. See the first question. Convert into kilograms and grams. Now see students, see the first number 5000 gram. This we have to convert into, yes, kilogram. Okay. First number 5000 gram. Now this we have to convert into kilogram. Okay, so how will you convert this? First we will write, our first step is, yes, what is the first step? 1000 gram is is equal to 1 kilogram. Yes, 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. If 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram, then here we have 5000 gram. Here we have 5000 gram. So 5000 gram is equal to what? 5 kilogram. Just what we have to do, if zeros are there, then from the right side we have to remove these 3 zeros. Okay, then it will be converted into kilogram. Or by easy method also we can solve this. See here, 5000 gram. Understood? From the right side we have to give a dot. Okay, so this is kilogram and this is gram. Okay, so here see here how many kilograms you can see here, 5 kilograms are there and 0 grams, means 5000 gram is equal to 5 kilogram. Understood? Okay, then see the second number. Yes, 8000 gram. 8000 gram. Now same way we have to solve this also. See here, first step is 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. Now if 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram, then 8000 grams is equal to how many kilograms? Yes, correct, 8 kilogram. Okay, next. Now see the next example. Now we'll see the fifth one, 5005 gram. 5005 gram. This we have to convert into kilogram and gram. So what we will do? Yes, now we will write the given weight. First of all, 5005 gram is equal to, now we will split up this. Okay, read this number first, 5005. So what I will do, 5000 gram plus 5 gram. Okay, plus 5 gram. Now tell me 5000 gram is equal to how many kilograms? Yes, remove these 3 zeros because 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. So 5000 gram is equal to 5 kilogram plus 5 grams. Okay, now 5 kg plus 5 grams is equal to what? 5 kilogram and 5 gram. Understood how to solve this type of examples? Okay, now next example is 6767. Sixth example, 6767 gram. Now this we have to convert into kilogram and gram. Okay, so let us start. 6767 is equal to, grams is equal to, first split up this number. What we will do, 6000 gram plus 767 gram. Okay, now see this 6000 gram. 6000 gram is equal to how many kilograms? Yes, 6000 gram is equal to 6 kilogram. So we'll write here 6 kilogram plus 767 gram. Okay, now just you have to remove this plus sign. So write here 6 kg 767 grams, means 6767 gram is equal to 6 kilogram 767 gram. Understood how to solve this type of examples? Okay, now we'll see the addition and subtraction of weight. Next exercise, addition and subtraction of weight. Exercise 5.10. See the question A. Add. First one, 78 kilogram 760 gram plus 236 kilogram and 396 gram. Just we have to add both the weights. 0 plus 6, start from the ones place. From the grams column we have to start. From the right side always we have to start. 0 plus 6, yes, 0 plus 6, 6. Then 6 plus 9, yes, 6 plus 9, correct, 15. So what you will write here? 5 and carry 1. Okay. Now see these 3 digits, 1, 7, 3. Add these 3 digits, 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 3, 11. So what we will write here? 1 and we will give 1 as a carry to the next place. Then we will move to the kilograms column. See here, 1 plus 8 plus 6, 1 plus 8, 9, 9 plus 6, 15. So again here we will write 5 and we will give 1 as a carry. Then 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 3, 11. So 1 and 1 carry, 1 plus 2, 3. So what is the answer? 315 kilogram and 156 gram. Understood? Okay. Now see the next example, this third one. 288 kilogram and 309 grams plus 134 kilogram 76 gram. Start from the grams. Here 9 plus 6, yes, 9 plus 6, 15. So write here 5 and give 1 carry. Then 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 7, 8. Then here 3 is there, so write here 3 as it is only. Okay. Then now we'll move to the kilograms column. Here 8 and here 4 is there. So 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4, 12. So what you will write here? 2 and 1 carry. Then 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 3, yes, 12. Correct. So write here 2. Then 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So read the answer. 422 kilogram 385 gram. Okay. Now see this fifth number. Now here 3 numbers are there. We have to do the addition of 3 numbers. 69 kilogram 345 grams plus 72 kilogram 576 gram plus 6 kilogram and 99 gram. Okay. Now start from the right side. Here grams column is there. 5 plus 6 plus 9. Do the addition. Yes, 5 plus 6, 11. Then 11 plus 9. 11 plus 9. Yes, 20. Correct. So what you will write here? 0 and 2 as a carry. Then next column. Yes, 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 9, yes, 22. So write here 2 and give 2 as a carry. Then 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. So what you will write here? 0 and we will give 1 carry. Now we will move to the kilograms column. 1 plus 9. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. So here we will write 8 and we will give 1 carry. Then 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. So simply you will write here 14. So what is the answer? 148 kilogram 20 gram. Okay. Now one more example we will take. The seventh number. Read the numbers. 36 kilogram 674 grams. 79 kilogram 197 grams plus 800 kilogram and 8 grams. Okay. Now add these 3 numbers. 4 plus 7, 4 plus 7, 11, then 11 plus 8, 19. So here we'll write 9 and 1 carry. Okay, then 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 9, 17. So here what we will write? 7 and 1 carry. Then 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. Okay, now move to the next column, that is kilograms column. 6 plus 9, 15, 15 plus 0, 15 only. So here we'll write 5 and we'll give 1 as a carry to the next column. Here 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 7, 4 plus 7, 11. So here we'll write 1. 1 plus 8, 9. So what is the answer? 915 kilogram, 879 gram. Understood how to do the addition of this weight? Okay. Now we'll move to the C question, that is subtraction. So turn your page. Okay. See here, 56 kilogram, 341 gram minus 28 kilogram, 768 grams. Now here we have to do the subtraction. Okay, so start from the kilograms. Start from the grams column. 56 kilogram and 341 grams. So here we have 341 grams, and in another weight we have 768 grams. Okay, see here 1 minus 8. Can you do 1 minus 8? No, here 1 minus 8 we can't do because 1 is smaller than 8. So here we can't do the subtraction. Then what do we do? Yes, just you will cut this one, write as it is. Then we'll move to the neighbor. Here neighbor is having 4. Okay, so we'll take one borrow from this neighbor. So here 4 minus 1, here 3 will remain and this 1 will become 11. Okay, now 11 minus 8 you have to do. Yes, 11 minus 8. Now do the subtraction. 11 minus 8. After 8 you have to count your fingers till 11. Okay, 9, 10, 11. So 11 minus 8, 3. So we'll write here 3. Now see this column, 3 minus 6. Again 3 is smaller than 6. So here also 3 minus 6 we can't do. So what we will do? We will cut this 3, write as it is. Then we will move to the neighbor. Here neighbor is having 3. So we will take one borrow from the neighbor. Okay, so 3 minus 1, here 2 will remain and this 3 will become 13. Now 13 minus 6. Yes, do the subtraction. 13 minus 6. After 6 you have to count your fingers till 13. Okay, so count your fingers till 13. Correct, 7. So here we'll write 7. Then 2 minus 7. Again, can you do 2 minus 7? No, we can't do 2 minus 7 because 2 is smaller than 7. So here also 2 minus 7 is not possible. So again we will cut this 2, write as it is, and we will take one borrow from this neighbor. So here 5 will remain and this 2 will become 12. Now 12 minus 7. Yes, after 7 count your fingers till 12. So 12 minus 7, 5. So write here 5. Then we'll move to the kilograms column. See here. Now here 5 is remaining. 5 minus 8. Again same problem. 5 minus 8 can't do. So what we will do? We will take one borrow from the neighbor. So here 5 minus 1, 4, and this 5 will become 15. So 15 minus 8. Yes, after 8 count your fingers till 15. Yes, correct, 7. So write here 7. Now the last 4 minus 2, 2. So what is the answer? 27 kilogram and 573 grams. Understood? Okay. Then see the second number. 72 kilogram 108 gram minus 47 kilogram 98 grams. Okay. Now we'll start from the right side. 8 minus 8, 0. Then here 0 minus 9. 0 minus 9. Can you do 0 minus 9? No, we can't do 0 minus 9 because 0 is smaller than 9. So we will take one borrow from this neighbor. Okay. So 1 minus 1, here 0 will remain and here this 0 will become 10. Now 10 minus 9. Yes, 1. So here we'll write 1 and here only 0 is there. So no need to write here 0. Okay. So we'll move to the kilograms column. Now in kilograms, here in the first number 2 is there and here 7 is there. So 2 minus 7. Can you do 2 minus 7? No, we can't do 2 minus 7. Why? Because 2 is smaller than 7. Okay. So what we will do? Just we'll cut these 2, write as it is. Then we'll move to the neighbor. Here neighbor is having 7. So we will take one borrow from the neighbor. So 7 minus 6, 1. Here 6 will remain and these 2 will become 12. Now 12 minus 7. After 7, count your fingers till 12. 12 minus 7, 5. So here we'll write 5. Okay. Next, 6 minus 4. Where is it? 6 minus 4, 2. So what is the answer? 25 kilogram 10 gram. Okay. Next example. 53 kilogram 214 gram minus 17 kilogram 895 gram. Start from the right side. 4 minus 5. 4 minus 5. Yes, here 4 minus 5 is not possible because 4 is smaller than 5. So what will we do? We will move to the neighbor. Here neighbor is having only 1. Okay. If we will take one borrow from this neighbor, 1 minus 1, here 0 will remain. Okay. And this 4 will become 14. Now 14 minus 5. Yes, after 5 you have to count your fingers till 14. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes, 9. So write here 9. Now see this 0 minus 9. Again 0 minus 9 is not possible. So again we will take one borrow from the neighbor. So 2 minus 1, here 1 will remain and the 0 will become 10. Okay. So 10 minus 9. Yes, 10 minus 9, 1. So write here 1. Then 1 minus 8. Again not possible. So again we will move to the neighbor. Here 3 is there. So we will take one borrow from this 3. So 3 minus 1. Here 2 will remain and this 1 will become 11. Now 11 minus 8. After 8, count your fingers till 11. Yes, 9, 10, 11. So how many are remaining? 3. So write here 3. Now we'll move to the kilograms column. See here 2 and here 7 is there. 2 minus 7. Again 2 minus 7 is not possible. Then what to do? Yes, just cut this 2, write as it is. Move to the neighbor. Here neighbor is having 5. We'll take one borrow from the 5. So 5 minus 1. Here 4 will remain and this 2 will become 12. Okay. Now 12 minus 7. Yes, after 7 you have to count your fingers till 12. Count your fingers. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 minus 7, 5. So write here 5. Now see this column. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1, 3. So here we will write 3. So what is the answer? 35 kilogram and 319 gram. Understood? Okay. Now we'll move to the next example. 42 kilogram 76 gram minus 17 kilogram 349 gram. See this 6 minus 9. Can you do 6 minus 9? No, we can't do 6 minus 9. So what do we do then? Just cut this 6, and move to the neighbor. Here 7 is there, so we will take one borrow from the 7. So 7 minus 1, here 6 will become, 6 will remain, and this 6 will become 16. Okay, now 16 minus 9. After 9, count your fingers till 16. Yes, 16 minus 9, 7. So write here 7. Then see here 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4, 2. Okay, now here nothing is there, means here 0 is there. So 0 minus 3. Again 0 minus 3 is not possible. So again we'll move to the next neighbor. Here 2 is there, so we'll take one borrow from this 2. So 2 minus 1, here 1 will remain and this 0 will become 10. 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3, 7. Then 1 minus 7. Again 1 minus 7 is not possible. So take one borrow from this 4. This 4 will become, 4 will here from 4. If we will take one borrow, here 3 will remain and this 1 will become 11. Okay, so 11 minus 7, 4, and here 3 minus 1, 2. So what is the answer? 24 kilogram 727 gram. Understood? Okay, now see this fifth example. 34 kilogram 84 gram minus 16 kilogram 796 gram. Start from the right side. Here see the grams column. First we will subtract grams. Okay, 4 minus 6. Can you do 4 minus 6? No, we can't do 4 minus 6 because 4 is smaller than 6. Okay, 4 is smaller than 6. So 4 minus 6 is not possible. So what we will do? We will cut this 4, write as it is. Then we will move to the neighbor. Here 8 is there. So we will take one borrow from this 8. So 8 minus 1, here 7 will remain and this 4 will become 14. Now 14 minus 6. After 6, count your fingers till 14. Yes, 14 minus 6, 8. So write here 8. Then 7 minus 9. 7 minus 9, again it is not possible. So what we will do? We will move to the neighbor. But here, see here nothing is there, means 0 is there. Okay, so what we will do? Again we will move to the next neighbor. Here 4 is there, so we will take one borrow from this 4. So here 3 will remain and this 0 will become 10. Now from this 10 we will take one borrow. So here 9 will remain and this 7 will become 17. Now 17 minus 9. After 9, you have to count your fingers till 17. So 17 minus 9, yes, 8. Now see this column, 9 and here 7 is there. 9 minus 7, 2. Now we will move to the kilograms column. We will subtract kilograms now. Here 3 kilograms minus 6 kilograms. 3 minus 6, again not possible. So just cut this 3, write as it is and take one borrow from this neighbor. Here 3 is there. So 3 minus 1, here 2 will remain and this 3 will become 13. Now 13 minus 6. 13 minus 6, yes, 7. 2 minus 1, 1. So what is the answer? 17 kilogram 288 grams. Understood? Now we'll take this last example. See here 70 kilogram 241 gram minus 59 kilogram 9 grams. Okay, now start from the grams. First we'll subtract the grams. 1 minus 9. 1 minus 9 is not possible. So just cut this one, write as it is. Then go to the neighbor. Here neighbor is having 4. So take one borrow from the neighbor. 4 minus 1, here 3 will remain and this 1 will become 11. Now 11 minus 9, yes, 2. Okay, now here 3 is there and here nothing is there, means 3 minus 0, 3 and 2 minus 0, 2. Now subtract the kilograms. 0 minus 9. Again 0 minus 9 is not possible. So just cut this 0, write as it is. Then go to the neighbor. Here 7 is there. So take one borrow from this 7. So 7 minus 1, here 6 will remain and this 0 will become 10. Now 10 minus 9. 10 minus 9, yes, 1. So here we'll write 1. And see here this column 6 minus 5, 6 minus 5, 11. Okay, so what is the answer? Yes, 11 kilogram 232 gram. So in this way today we have completed exercise 5.9 and 5.10. In the next session we will see the next part. Thank you.